In this presentation, we're going to take a look at some of the many benefits of working inside of Revit MEP and a BIM environment. Currently, I'm in a sample project just showing the HVAC layout. I can switch to my electrical layout where I have my electrical and my switching, and I can also toggle over to my plumbing layout where I have my plumbing design. Now the three views that I just showed you, of course, were 2D views. But if I switch over to my 3D mechanical view, we can see all of the flex duct up in the attic, the air handler, and everything that supplies the home. So everything is really being drawn in a 3D environment. If I go to my plumbing riser, I can see all of my plumbing pipes. The advantage of this is many. A couple things I'd like to take a look at is if I go over to the Analyze tab, notice that I can create automatic electrical panel schedules. I can do heating and loading calculations. If I go ahead and select that tool, you're going to see that it brings the building up. It's showing me all the defined spaces, the type of building. I can go and drill down into specific information to specify that. And then just by selecting the Calculate button, Revit MEP is going to go ahead and run a heating and cooling load study on the structure. And it's going to give me a very detailed report back. Another thing that we could take a look at is project phases. Let's say, for example, we want to control how material is delivered to the field. In this example, maybe during the second phase of construction, I want to bring in my underground sanitary piping. So I'm going to switch to this 3D view that just has that phase of construction turned on. I'm also going to bring up a piping schedule that is designed just to show me the piping information that is coming in that phase of construction. So if we see that I have 111 foot of PVC pipe that I need during the phase 2 of construction, if I go ahead and take this long piece of sanitary pipe here and go to the properties of that pipe, I'm just going to go ahead and change that to come in phase 3 of construction. Just by that one change, I can see that my pipe length is now down to 88 feet. So when working in a BIM environment, everything is linked. Your reporting to your drawings, your 2D and 3D information is really just one view of the central database. So you can see even your MEP work in a BIM environment has many possibilities.